I recently paused making videos on Telegram tapping bots and airdrop due to the dust that is being rewarded after months of commitment. But one particular airdrop caught my attention. So guys, you're welcome back to the channel smarthustle.yt. So if this is your first time of checking across this channel, what I do here is to teach you legitimate ways of making money online, how to curtail online money wastage and scams. So guys, do not mind my voice. I have been sick for some days. So this particular Telegram airdrop, PAWS, that is what we are introducing today, PAWS. So guys, I am seeing a lot of potential in this particular airdrop. So it gave rise for me to share it with you guys so that we start mining it immediately. And this particular airdrop doesn't require you to be tapping all day on your screen. You don't tap anything here. What this particular airdrop is all about is it rewards you for the days you have spent on most of those airdrops that ended up giving us dusts, such as hamster combat, dogs, cats, though dogs did well. Yes, dogs did well. But it rewards you in all of them, and it's also reward you for the years you have spent being in Telegram. So it also rewards you if you are in Telegram Premium, and most airdrop activities you have engaged on Telegram. PAWS is backed by Notecoin, so because of that, I think it is a great project. And it came in few days ago, and within the space of 2 days after announcing it, it grew. Its membership on Telegram and other places grew from the number it was to about 10 million followers. So I think there is a very good potential in this coin. So hence we are to mine it. So in this video, I am going to teach you step by step of what is contained on PAWS and necessary thing to do so that you get started. Of course, when you click the link in the description box, it is going to lead you to a particular place. Then you click on get started, and when you get started, you are going to see this interface. So this is my homepage on PAWS, and as you can see, this is my reward, and my rank is legend. So I am 6,331 PAWS as a reward being given to me. So this is it. Now when you look at the interface, you're gonna see home. Then this home is where it shows, the background, it shows my reward. And guys, I forgot something. This particular airdrop is listing soon, so I need you to act very fast. Now this particular option where you have your leaderboard is where it shows you the position you are. As you can see here, look at my position. Look at one of the people, the people occupying the highest position. We have Inget, we have Pashanadad. All right, now let's go to this place. We have friends. Okay, this is the place you have your link to invite your friends. So this is the place I got the link I put in the description box. So if you click on it, you're gonna be given a reward, and I am gonna be giving a reward too. So when we click on the end section, so these are the place you're gonna perform tasks. This particular account I'm using to teach you guys this is still very, very fresh. I just opened it up and I have not started doing anything there. So on the end section, this is the place you can do certain things, to earn some point. Okay, you can follow their channel on Telegram. You can put in your name, you earn some points. You can tweet about it on Twitter. You can boost the PAWS channel. Okay, then you can follow them on Twitter. You can invite friends. So when you do all these things, like for example, when you do one falls, one rises task, you get 250 plus PAWS. When you put in your name, you get 5,000 PAWS, which is very simple to do, right? Isn't it? So that is it. Okay, now when you tweet about PAWS on Twitter, you're gonna get $2,000. So remember, I told you guys, don't mind my voice. I don't know how it's gonna look after this video. I have been a little bit sick for some days, but I can't just help it. I need to share this information so that my lovely community and subscribers doesn't or do not miss it, as the case may be. Okay, now you boost your PAWS channel, you earn 2,500 PAWS. Okay, you follow the channel on Telegram, you get 1,000 PAWS. And these things are just little things you can do on your own. You follow them on Twitter, you get 2,000 PAWS. When you invite 10 friends, you are being rewarded with 5,000 PAWS automatically. Okay, then you connect your PAWS to your wallet, you get plus 3,000 PAWS. So that is it. Here we have, as you can see, we have in-game in this section N, and we also have partners. Okay, all right. Now when you click on the partners, you see Bloom here. So this is showing you that what we are saying about PAWS is true. You can join Bloom channel and then you earn plus 1,000 PAWS and the rest of that. So that is it, guys. That is it, guys. I don't know whether there is another thing I haven't thought. Okay, now you can click on check your rewards in the dashboard. Here you have under your home, you have check your rewards. So let's click on it. When we click on it, as you can see, this is how my rewards came by. Look at this 6,331. This is how it came by. Okay, so that is it. As you can see, I was awarded 2,765 PAWS because I engaged on PAWS Airdrop, then 1,000 PAWS because I engaged on Hamster, then Telegram drop because I am Telegram Premium. I was awarded 666 plus PAWS, and Telegram age for the days I have, for how long I have been on Telegram from the day I created Telegram. They analyzed it and also gave me plus 1,900 PAWS. So this is it. Okay, then you also have the option of joining the community. Let me join the community. So that is it, guys. Now this is their community. Okay, so I can quickly click on join, right? So I have joined their community. Then where this place you are seeing written PAWS under below, you click on it to go back to PAWS. And so that is it. I have joined the community. So my reward is supposed to reflect here, but no problem. Let me look at following their channel. So we are checking it up. So that is it, pending. All right, once it finished checking it, it will give me my reward. So guys, this is where I am going to come to the end of this video. I want you to act very fast on this. Just like I told you, I post teaching about airdrop and Telegram tapping bots, but I saw this one and knew that there is a great potential in it, and what we are going to be doing is still be trying. All right, yes, that's what we are doing here, because in crypto world we just keep on trying with this airdrop. Who knows the one that will make you rich? And remember, guys, I am not your financial advisor. I move into the internet, see what is gonna make us money, try it, and it works for me, and in turn I come here to share it with you guys, hoping you will do exact same thing I did to get exact same result. So that is it. See you guys on my next video.